Hello everyone. Welcome to Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we'll talk about a super exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence, AI, stocks. If you've been considering investing in AI but don't know where to start, this video is perfect. We'll explore which AI stocks you should consider buying and how to make informed decisions. I am Pranab Kishore Prehraj. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world. From powering smart assistants like Alexa to automating businesses, AI is everywhere. With its rapid growth, AI companies are becoming some of the most valuable investments in the world. Why invest in AI stocks? Massive growth potential. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a growing industry. Reports suggest the AI market will grow to over $1 trillion by 2030. Imagine being part of that growth. AI across industries. AI is used in healthcare, finance, entertainment, agriculture, and space exploration. This diversity makes AI companies more stable investments. Tech giants leading the way. Big companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are heavily investing in AI, making them attractive stocks for investors. Key factors to consider before buying AI stocks. Research the company. Look at what the company does and how it uses AI. Is it making new AI products or improving its existing services with AI? Financial health. Check their revenue, profit margins, and investments in AI research and development. Market trends. Follow the latest trends in AI. For example, generative AI tools like ChatGPT have created a lot of buzz recently. Competition. How does the company compare to its competitors? Does it have a unique advantage? Risk tolerance. AI stocks can be volatile, especially startups. Decide how much risk you are comfortable taking. Top AI stocks to consider. Google, Alphabet Incorporated. Google owns DeepMind, one of the leading AI research labs. Their AI powers products like Google Search, YouTube recommendations, and Google Cloud. They're also investing heavily in generative AI with Google Bard. Microsoft. Microsoft has integrated AI into its Azure platform and products like Office 365. They're in partnership with OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, making them a leader in generative AI. Amazon. Amazon uses AI for everything, from recommending products to managing their logistics. AWS, Amazon's cloud platform, is a key player in AI services. NVIDIA. NVIDIA creates GPUs, which are essential for running AI models. Their products are in high demand among AI researchers. Their AI-powered solutions are used in gaming, data centers, and autonomous vehicles. Tesla. Tesla is not just a car company, it's an AI company too. They use AI for self-driving technology and energy solutions. Their Dojo supercomputer is set to revolutionize AI training. Palantir Technologies. Palantir specializes in big data and AI analytics, helping organizations make smarter decisions. OpenAI, if it goes public. As the creator of tools like ChatGPT, OpenAI is at the forefront of generative AI. Keep an eye out for their IPO. C3.ai. C3.ai provides enterprise AI solutions and is growing rapidly in industries like healthcare and manufacturing. Risks of investing in AI stocks. High valuation. Some AI stocks might be overpriced due to hype. Be cautious. Rapid technology changes. AI evolves quickly, and a company leading today might lag tomorrow. Regulatory challenges. Governments may impose regulations on AI, impacting businesses. Conclusion. AI is transforming industries and creating exciting investment opportunities. By researching companies like Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia, you can make informed investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which AI stock you are interested in investing in.